Yet, we will plant more mangrove trees.
Benefit lang, if we plant more mangrove, then we can protect the little fish, and then also we can also protect the nearby houses from flooding damage.
Okay, so okay, sir is correct and Faith is correct. Yung mga kay control sa. It helps us to prevent from the prevent the natural disasters. So yes, what was here? So we were done our parts. So technical surveys to conclude our discussion.
Okay, so we shall summary. Before we conclude and do our quiz or application, let us do a summary first. Okay. So population distribution, it refers to the how people are spread. Now that is population distribution, whether globally or locally. Now, why the people was distributed? Why people migrate? Because of physical factors, which is the physical and human. Now, first the physical factor is the climate. Now, as you can see, that the climate is killing us, and the globe is densely hot. Now, we experience more typhoons rather than usual. It is abnormal, right? Now, next, we have the landforms. Especially for landforms. For, let's say, example, take a look of Metro Cebu. Cebu is look like this, Lapu-Lapu. Can you imagine or can you look there that the mountains here has less houses, has less home, but more people live in the Metro Cebu city because why? Now it has because of the water, more access also, and the water and culture. More culture. What is the main culture of Cebu? Now, one of the main culture that people will live is the utang na loob. Okay, utang na loob. That's why people live, not just because they love the culture, because they don't love their culture. One of the culture in the Philippines is crab mentality. Okay, check. Okay, next is the economics or the jobs or industries and income opportunities. That's why mostly people here in the provinces would rather go in the Metro Cebu or the Manila because they say malawak sa Maynila, may pangarap sa Maynila, sabi nila, nila. Kahit na sulaso, makamuhi. Next is the history. That's why Asian settlements. Mostly of us here has different races. We have the triangle. What was the first again? No, katong 6 pa. Ay, Indios na ay. Because we were influenced by the history of Asian settlements and civilization. Next is the politics. One of the main reasons or factors, the human factors in the Philippines that we're mostly. Right now, people would want to leave this country. Who wants to leave Philippines? Okay. Now next, we are talking the global scale. Now, do you know what is the biggest country in the world? Thailand. Do you know that Russia, 95% of the Russia lives here? What is the capital of Russia? Moscow. Okay. 95% of the people live here. Why? Because of the climate also. Because of the monsoon. Because part of here, what was called the Siberia. Is that not? No. It's not okay. I'm sorry. Okay, next. Here in the Siberian part is mostly cold. And people cannot adapt to what is cold because they say that the highest
Open
form
na?
of intelligence is
Open na?
adaptability.
Saan pag-apply?
But people who not that intelligent,
Saan pag-apply?
intelligence rather. And also here is
Kasi isa sa
there is the mountain range called Himalayas mountain range. And the Himalayas mountain range is blocking the monsoon or blocking the rain. So the rain or the heat or temperature cannot get through to the Siberia. That's why mostly of the people live here. Another one is China. Okay, this is China. Let's take some China. Capital of China. Beijing. 99% live here. But the rest is 95 or this is basta 90% kami.
Why or more?
Because why? Because the rest part of the China is mostly desert. Mostly barren cannot produce a fertile. Okay. Let's send to the locals. Okay, what is the highest population barangay in Lapu-Lapu? No. Bangkal. Bangkal is the highest. Consensus kailangan bumubuo. They say that Bangkal is one of the highest. Kaya ako sa una ko, Bangkal nag-riot. Now we are finished with the abstraction. Let's count the group 1 to 5.
4, 5, 1.
1.
Okay. Now, there are 5 steps, okay? 1 is stand. Second is look at your group mates. Okay, I'm gonna set the number first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. 1, wait, I did not say it.
Wala pa.
When I say 1, okay? So 1 is stand. Second is look at your group mates. Third is go to your group mates. 4 is arrange and 5 is sit. The more masaba, the more mas minus. Okay, kung minsan makaulan kasi masilaw na ay points. Okay. Do not judge here. 1. No necessary noise. Unnecessary noise will cause a minus. 2. No, I did not say it to look at your group so you could know where you 3. 4. First to say person. 5. Today, our application activity is one of the most common to do in high school, college, or even elementary. Do you have your pens?
Yes,
sir.
Yellow pen?
Yeah.
Okay. Since we did not provide enough materials, let's have a quiz bowl. Okay. Okay. Instructions, can you read?
Class will be divided into 5 groups. Read each situation carefully. Identify the factor affecting population distribution described in each question. Write your answer on the blank provided. Specify the answer. Example, the answer is physical factor, but the group should specify what type of factor.
Do you get the instructions? question is about physical